Welcome to Challenge Forex. My name is Steve. Join me today as I go through my weekly forecast for the week commencing the 22nd of November 2024. And in my forecast, I go through 28 pairs, Forex pairs, and gold to look at the support and resistance levels on daily charts and to see which possible setups might be coming along this week. So join me now and let's get started. Now, just to speed things up a little bit, I'm going to go through the pairs that actually have setups and skip through the pairs that don't have any setups, just to save a bit of time and make this video shorter, save some time for you. Now, let's get started. And first pair we've got coming up is, let's see, the Aussie dollar. Now, this one has actually bounced already from a resistance level just in about a week ago, and going short fairly hard, and that's due to the strength of the US dollar. So we're going to probably find this same pattern on a lot of US based pairs. Now the area we're looking for to trade in this one is if it was to come back to this previous resistance level, we would take that one as short. However, we can actually draw another area here as well, which had previously been used as a support and resistance level. We could actually say if it comes back to this area, we can take it short. The next pair on my list is the CAD Swiss, and this one is actually just in an area now, and we've got the actual setup that we're looking for. We've got green candles going into the resistance zone. We've got a red candle that closed below the zone, and it actually took out the low of the last three candles. So this one is actually ready for a short trade right away. We have the Euro Swiss, which has been hovering around this same level for about 6 weeks or so. So between these lines is a month, and we're about halfway through November now. So we've actually been hovering around this level for about 6 weeks. So it's not really moving anywhere, but if we do come down to this zone and touch it and close with a green candle above, we will take it long. But not very encouraging, that one at the moment. Doesn't look like it's going to happen. And the Euro pound, this one is actually at a zone right now, and we do have a green candle which closed above the previous highs. So this one is actually ready to take long right away. The pound Swiss, this one is in a zone right now. It is a red candle at the moment. This is for Friday, the 15th of November. We're looking at a green candle, preferably to close above these previous highs early next week. So if we do get something like that sort of a setup, let's move this arrow a little bit here. We're just saying if we get something around this area, a green candle closing up in the zone, we'll take this one long. New Zealand dollar is actually at a zone now that has been tested and bounced multiple times in the past. This is actually a very strong resistance support level. We can see here that from the previous bounces, we've had like 3,500 pips. Sorry, that's points. 350, 430 pips on that move. So we've actually had some large moves from this area, and the Friday candle for this week is closed green, but it is actually sitting below the zone at the moment. So we need a candle to close preferably above these couple of highs here, and with a green candle above the zone early next week, and we'll take that one long. Now, at the moment, we don't really have a setup for gold. We can see here that we've been on a long-term trend, and we did actually at the end of October reach an all-time high for gold. But since then, we've had, with the US elections going on, we've had the US dollar strengthening, which has forced the gold price down. But we've broken through a trend line to the up, which is okay. So it means that we're looking at possibly short trades for now. But we are actually at a zone that has been tested multiple times in the past. for a support level. So if we get a bounce in this zone, a red candle into this area, and then a green candle above, we will look for a long trade. If it actually goes straight through this zone, we would be then looking at flipping this zone, making that a red resistance area, and taking that short as a flip zone. But for this coming week, at the moment, we're looking at taking this one long. Okay, that's it for the setups for this week. And if you want to freeze or pause your screen now and take a screenshot of this one, you've got a list of my setups for this week, possible 6 setups I'm looking at. And let me know in the comments below if you do have any success with these trades, if you took any of these trades, if they worked out for you, how did you go? And also watch out my previous video. I actually created 10 expert advisors for MT5, which I've given away for free. And watch out for my previous video. I'll put a link in the description below, but you can actually download these expert advisors for free and use them on MT5. And I did have a video there where I show you how to actually set up and customize it so that you can use them for prop firm challenges as well. Happy trading!